Yo, what is up, guys? We are back to another video. Today we are gonna be playing Bee Swarm Simulator with Lid Nugget 30. He said, "Hey YouTube." So yeah, and this other guy, he's in here with us. I think it's in a private server. So yeah, and I got 15 bees. So I could go to the werewolf part now. Okay, that wouldn't close. That's weird. He said go, but I think it's in here. Yeah, there's the other guy. He has Roblox, I think. I see it. Okay. The game froze. Oh, I can be like, what? Gonna have to close that so I can do this. 30K. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy it, and I bought it. I got the hat, guys. You can still see my hair. Yeah, I got the helmet. Okay, let's go to the place. And I killed the king beetle. It gives you 3 royal jellies and 100,000 honey. I just beat it last night. On April 26th. So yeah. And that's when I also unlocked that place. Oh, I defeated the spider that quick? Oh yeah, it says 30 plus luck. Forgot. Last time I went here it froze. And then the werewolf was able to kill me. And then I died. Come on, kill the werewolf. Yes. Okay, I just need some speed boost to run through there. So yeah. Come on, we need some speed boost. And thank you, Lid Nugget 30 for showing me that. I'm lucky I knew you in real life that you can't tell me your Roblox name. I gotta get so much speed and then I run through. I got this. Where'd my speed bees go, which is the hasty bees? What is this? Oh. Oh, it's 15 luck. Okay. Okay, that's speed. Ah, my speed ran out. Anyways. So now it's 1 speed. 2 speed. I'm winking. That eye hurts. I don't know why, but it just does. I'm gonna save up to like 5 speed. Just 1 more. And I'm gonna run through. No, 6. What the heck? Yes. Let's go. I'm doing it. Please, I wanna... Oh no, I died. That gold egg was almost mine. What did the gold eggs do though? Oh, I really need that. I need more speed. Yeah. Let's go again. But that's just creepy with all the whispers. It's weird. I'm gonna kill the king beetle again. On my first bee swarms video, I don't know how. I just found out where it was. I don't know how. Oh, now Swag Gaming. I don't. Oh, there's friend. He knows them? I actually never knew that. Where's King Beetle? It's still dead with the timer. Oh, it's 1 day. Okay. I just killed it last night. But it hasn't really been a day, that's why it hasn't spawned. I'm gonna go defeat the mantis and stuff on these 2 rhino beetles. 2, 3. It took me a while to kill the king beetle yesterday though. So yeah. Let's go to the mantis and the other beetle up here. I should have just took the slingshot. Here we are. Wait. Oh yeah. Oops. Okay. Here's the mantis and the other rhino beetle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna get all these. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Up, up. Let me open that so the white stuff don't go. Oh, that's new. This is new. How do you get a ticket? When did this update come? It never told me that there was an update. How do you get tickets? If you guys know how, can you please tell me in the comments? Can you jump in here? Aw. Wait, how get tickets? I told it to the Nugget 30. I told him how to get tickets. The sun bear. Where is that? What? There's a sun bear? There's so much new stuff. And no one ever told me. Not even the game. Oh my god, how did I not notice? Oh. I want to check out all the new stuff very quick for this video. Oh no. There's this royal jelly thing. You need a ticket. Oh, you need 6. So yeah. Was that the only thing for the new update? I don't know if it was, but if it was, and this helmet, then I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put a like, and send on the comments below. Bye.